everybody, Hishitori here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'll be talking about how I draw body poses, so stay tuned. Before I actually get started in the video, I wanted to say thank you for participating in the poll that I had dealing with the models from my last video. A lot of you guys chose Jade, so I decided to use her in this video. Alright, so pretty much what you saw in the beginning was I used the bean method that I told you guys from my last video. For this body pose, I used the line, the little curved line to guide me with how the body is curved. So I used that, and then I just did my circles for where the thighs will be, like the starting of the thigh, the knee, and then the ankles. So I use those as a guideline. And that includes the arms. And I don't know if you guys seen it, but I used another line to show me the distance between the elbows. I kind of changed it at the end a little bit, but of course, you know, this is just a sketch. So you know how when you guys sketch, you think oh, I'm gonna change it up a little bit. So that's what I did. I was doing that to try to match up with the picture. Now of course, you're not gonna get everything fully detailed correctly, but it's best to have guidelines and using shapes, just letting you know, just showing you how it's supposed to look, at least to your eyes, or you know, how you're imagining it and how you're sketching it out. So yeah, that's the first example of the body pose. Now sadly on this next one, including the last one, I couldn't bring the picture in because, well, it didn't have their information and stuff on it, but I didn't want to just use the picture without going to that person first saying, hey, can I put you in my video? So just trying to avoid copyrights. But I just went ahead and used another picture that I got off of Google using the beam method again, and then on top of that I used the guidelines again for distancing. I cannot talk, my goodness. Distancing the knees and the ankles, along with using a line in between it to let me know how far distant that they are. So I did that and did a perspective view of the shoes. I sadly struggled with drawing shoes. I'm still learning how to do perspective myself, but I did the best I could just by looking at the reference. So like I said in my last video, bro, do I have dyslexia when I talk or something? I use references, like I said in my last video, to always use, so that way it can help you practice with how something's supposed to look rather than just doing it from your mind, because like I always said, when you do it from the mind, it's not always going to look the same, and it's best to look at something so that way you don't draw something weird. That's the best way I can say it. So yeah, that's pretty much what I did. This pose took a little bit more time than usual, only because to be honest, I never drew my character in these type of poses, but I'm kind of glad I did it because like I said, I'm just practicing, and this will be a tutorial example for you guys to know how to do it also. So yeah, I kind of like this one and the last one. Not gonna lie to you guys, but yeah, so again, this took a little bit of time, especially doing the shoes and the shading, but I had fun with it. So always remember, when you're starting off with the beam method or any type of method, always use the baselines. Then it's after you do your sketch, just trace over it. I mean, you could trace over it with another sketch pencil that you're using, because sometimes when you're using the baselines, you don't always follow it, but yeah, use guidelines and baselines to help you draw out how the body is going to be positioned and looked at. But yeah, I hope I'm making sense, and hopefully this is pretty much helping you. So for the last pose method, again, bean method, and then I did the little circles. I probably should have like drew them up a little bit more, but I was drawing the circles for the start of the thighs, and then I went to the knees and went ahead and drew the guidelines of how far apart the knees are going to be and make sure they matched up, and then I just drew the line back to the bottom piece of the bean. So that's pretty much what I did. As far as like with the circles, all I did was just line them up, and there you go. Video so far is helping you guys, especially with trying to learn how to do body poses.
Okay.
In this video, it kind of looks like I'm doing it in perspective, but at the same time, I am showing you, like, as far as like the shapes, I'm pretty much using circles and ovals, and I can't think of any other shapes, but yeah, I'm just using those, showing you guys like this is how you would look at a perspective, and this is how you would picture out like what it will look like, especially as like, again, as far as the base and like the position of the body. If you have any more questions or any ideas or anything, just leave them down in the comments, and again, I'll answer them right away. So thank you guys so much for watching. Do hope this video helped you. Again, like I said, if you have any questions, just let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!